In this video, I want to talk about how to do the homework assignments. So here we are in LaLima, and one of the links on the left-hand side is MH Campus. So I'm going to click on that, and you should start to see our class right here. You would click on Connect, and then our course should appear. I guess after I log in here. Let's make our life easy here. Okay, right, so here would be our course Econ 396, fall 2023. And you see basically two things for every chapter. You would see the reading, right, which you could click on it right here. And it's not really a homework assignment. I mean, this part here is you need to read the material. So, right, here would be each chapter. And again, these are rather simple. These are not very long chapters, and you should be able to go through it rather quickly. But then also, what you would see is the homework assignment. So let's click on them. So it says, for each chapter, it'll say graded homework. Each chapter has the same number of questions, 15 questions. And to give you an idea of the policy so that everyone's clear, they're all, right, the first half of the chapters are all due on the same date, October 15th. There's no time limit. I try to keep the questions ordered in terms of the order that they are presented in the book. You are allowed to look at the book as you're doing questions. So there's no points taken off if you look at different questions of the book as you're going through things. And what you'll see is that after you do it, it's going to tell you whether you got your question correct or incorrect. It's not going to tell you the answer. It's just going to tell you whether you got it correct or not. So you need to kind of keep track or print out how you did on a various attempt, because then if you got some wrong and you have the time to obviously do it again to get a higher score, then you need to start all over again, right? And you don't want to have to think about the question again, right? You would just answer what you got correct. Same answer on the second attempt, right? And then try to fix your problems on the incorrect questions. Once you get 100%, it will show you all the detailed feedback for each question, but it won't do that until then. You can print things out as well. So if you don't want to write out what you answered in certain ways and you've got a printer handy, you could just print out the questions as well. Okay, so it should be rather straightforward, the homework questions here. And they're all multiple choice. Well, I guess you kind of saw the answer here for number one. Number one, chapter one, the answer is allocation. Okay. I hope that helps you understand how to do the homework assignments.